welcome once again to today's guitar lesson edition. And my friend YOG Samuel Jamfi, you requested this song. It's been a while you requested the song, but I couldn't find the download link. So sorry for the delay. Shout out to you of Fidelis Bonye, Mbami, Brighton, Misa Waters, Raspupu, those people who are new on this channel. I will mention your names. You don't worry at all. Everybody's name is mentioned on this channels because we are all one big family, then the guitar together. So you are all welcome. We are doing a lesson from CK Man, his song Marechichre. So let's go to the guitar board and do the analysis as we play. We do it because of the length of the song, we cannot do the whole thing and copyright infringement. So we will do the intro backing, so that when you learn the intro, you can do the backing, back the song from the beginning to the end. And then in the next lesson, I'll manage my way to do the solo because I don't want to use the whole song, because if copyright strike catches you, it's not easy at all. So my friend YOG, this is your request. So let's go straight to the board and do it. So let's do the intro first. Let's pause it and do the intro. So it's spelled the same as the song. So he played here. So let's start it. Do, E flat. The key is E flat. E flat. This is E flat. Do, so, mi, do, forming the do chord. And this is so, because so, ti, so, re, ti, so, re, because E flat. This is do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, or do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So in this surface, we are creating the chords. So we are playing the E shape here, and sometimes G shape here. That is where he played, or so. Again, that is do, so, then E flat 7th. So E flat, B flat, then back to E flat 7th. Again, the same thing. That is C minor. So let me zoom it. So again, then when he comes to the do E flat again, he played the 7. So again, so we play from the top 4th string to down. So he hit me. That is the leading note. So he played. So let's continue on. So add the knife. He added the B flat knife. Again. He added a knife. He played the same chord. Again. Then we move to G sharp. That is so, la, fa, mi. That is do chord, but that is the leading nose. That is the whole thing he managed, playing the chords over it. Do, so, to, la, fa, mi. But he played do, so, to, la. Then he played this as accidental chord. That is F major. Rather, he should have played the F minor, but he played the major. So you see, that is the accidental. So let's go slow. So let's listen to the song again, so we'll continue from there, because I don't want to play the whole thing before teaching you. We are all learning. So let's go to it once again. Let me hit the ball. So let's stop it. The second part, that is fa, so, re, re. That fa is G sharp. So we have the fa here. So that is fa. So when we are playing E flat, do, that is the G shape. Or we play the E shape of E flat chord here, or the G shape. Do, fa is fa, fa la, do, fa la. That is G sharp chord, and so is B flat chord. So we have do. So fa, so, re, re. Re is do, re. That is F minor chord. So fa, so, re, re, do, 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 so. So we have so here, the same B flat, because either we play it here or we play it here. It is still B flat, because opening on the first string is E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp or B flat. So this is B flat major chord. So sometimes we play it 7. Again, so, fi, fa to the chord. So we have the chord like this. Or that is B flat 7th. B flat 7th. We have this as so and do. So, do. So this is B flat 7th. B flat here, we move it to 7th. Or we can add this so to it and another do. So let's check it out again. That is the intro. Again, slow. So do, so, do 7th or E flat 7, La, C minor, B flat. Then we add knife, additional knife, G sharp, E flat, this is E flat, then F major, G sharp, B flat major, F minor, E flat major, B flat major, B flat dominant 7th, back to G, E flat. So that is the intro. Then the singer comes in. So we are going to the chorus analysis. That's the backing. But the main thing is the intro. You have to know the intro. Then you go to the backing. So as we've done, let's go to the backing and do the concept and chord analysis of the backing. The reason why he played this. So we are going. So let's start. So let's do that part. When we play, the chords are do, fa, re. So we have E flat, G sharp major, re as F minor. Then we move to mi. Mi, we have it here as G minor. So we can play this G minor here, or we play it here, because in this chord, then we add the G itself to it, making chord. So write it down. Do, fa, re, mi. Then we move to la, re, so, do. That is where the guitar was playing. That is the chords there. To download the song and listen and play along, it is called Man Rechichre by C.K. Man. So after that, horns came in. When the horns came in, they all play with the backing. Do, fa, mi, la, re, re. So we have la here. La is C minor. Then we play re, re. So when we play re, re too, we rest on the so. That is B flat. So let's check it out. That's the whole body. If we finish learning this, it rotates. So fa, mi, la, re, re. So that's where the singer came in. Ma, re, tichre. So do, fa, mi, la, re, so, do. So when we play one re, re, so, do. When the second part goes, do, fa, mi, la, re, re, so. That's the first part. Then we go, do, fa, mi, la, re, re, so. So it is only two. Mi, do, go, fa, e, mi, fa. Then the same chord. Fa, mi, la, re, so, do. Then the second one go, do, fa, mi, la, re, re 2 times. So when we play the re 2 times, we land on the so, we rest there. But when we play the re 1, we go to so, do. That is the whole thing in the song. So for the solo, I will not do the solo because somebody's song I cannot use the whole thing. So in the next lesson, I will use the solo so that it will not be copyright infringement or something like that. So we will take our time, do the analysis. So let's go to the song again. You play the whole thing as we've done. So write the chords down. I've said and mentioned the chords name before. So when the guitar starts, we play do, then we move to fa, sorry, it's E flat, do, we play fa, re, mi, la, re, so, do, for the guitar intro. Then horns came in, we play do, fa, mi, la, re, so. Then the singer comes in. You play do, fa, mi, la, re, so, do. Then he goes to the second time. He play do, fa, mi, la, re 2 times, re, so. So that is the whole thing. Write the chords down. Then the singer go for the second do, fa, mi, la, re, so, do. So interchangeably. So we are going to play these chords over the song. So let's go to the song. Let's start from the beginning. So first one. Second one, re, so, do. Re 2 times, so, re, and so. Fa, mi, la, re once, so, do. That is the whole thing. So it's the same thing we are playing. Interchangeably. We play it interchangeably. So when he came in for the second time, he played re 2 times and lands on the so, rest on the so. Then first one, he moved on to re 1. Then so, do. So I don't want the lesson to be more than 25 minutes, 30 minutes. It will make the lesson boring. Watching the video long. So I will take time as we are doing. We have to take time and do it gradually, one by one. The chords, everything in the song. So we have, let's do the chords analysis again. We have this as do, E flat major. Or when we add this last finger, that's the 4th finger, on the 2nd string, it has given us la at the same flat here. And the 3rd finger here. And this finger here on the 2nd string, it has given us la. When we just bring it a step or semitone, it has given us E flat 7th. These are the chords we use. Then we play fa, it's G major, G sharp major, sorry, G sharp major. Then we play mi as G minor. Either we play mi here or we play G minor here. or we play G minor here. And we played La here. That is C minor. Or we play it here. Or here, La. It's like C major. But we remove this one and make it more Mi. This one is Mi more. Then we have Re. This is Re, F minor. F minor. So if you are new to this course I'm playing, please go back to chords formation and the caged system. I've taken time teaching it slowly. Cage system, I have more than 4 types of cage system. I've taught and come back and teach it again. So we have cage system, chords formation. Difference between minor chord, first string minor chord and major chord, second string minor and major chord, third string minor and major chord. So if you do not understand or understand exactly what I'm doing, please, it means you do not have the chords within you. So go back and learn the chords formation and cage system. I recommend it to you. If you are a beginner or intermediate and this lesson you do not get it clear, please go back and learn that one for me, not for you. Learn it for me. I have more lessons on chord scales, from major scale, minor scale, everything. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button under this video here. It is written with red, so just make it highlighted or black. It means you are part of the channel. If you subscribe, there is a small bell that will pop out. Just select the bell, you will see a menu, or then select all from that menu. Then it means whenever I do upload a video, you first get your message that the video is uploaded onto the channel. So you can make your request, ask for a song you want us to do. It will benefit others. So my friends, YOG Samuel Jamfi, this is the song, but the solo will be in the next lesson. Pardon me for that because of copyright strikes. So thank you for understanding me. I'm sure you are all watching. Let's all stay blessed and learn together as we are doing. If you like the video, please just give me a thumbs up. Welcome once again. You are all wonderful to me on this channel. Thank you.